In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Dark Theme in Microsoft Outlook. If you prefer a darker interface that feels easier on the eyes, especially in the evening or in low-light environments, Outlook makes this very simple to set up. The dark theme can also help reduce screen glare and give the app a cleaner, more modern look. I'll walk you through the exact path to find the setting so you can turn it on quickly and confidently. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can see the main Outlook window clearly. Once you're in Outlook, take a moment to look toward the upper area of the screen where you'll find the settings controls. Next, click the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where Outlook keeps many of its customization options. If you're not used to changing app settings very often, don't worry. You don't need to adjust anything else here unless you want to. For this video, we're only focusing on the theme setting. After clicking the gear icon, look for the General section and click it. The General menu contains basic Outlook preferences that affect the overall experience, including how the interface appears. This is the area where Outlook groups common display and personalization settings. From there, click Appearance. This section controls the visual style of Outlook, including theme options. If you ever want to personalize how Outlook looks beyond just dark mode, this is usually the place to return to. Once you're in Appearance, click Dark. As soon as you select it, Outlook should switch to the dark theme. You'll notice the background, panels, and other interface elements change to darker tones. This can make long periods of email reading or calendar use feel more comfortable for some users. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and check that the selection has been applied. In most cases, the update happens right away. After that, you can simply close the settings and continue using Outlook with the new theme enabled. And that's all it takes to turn on Dark Theme in Microsoft Outlook. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in comfort and appearance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.